describing about the company's balance sheet, and in this video I will say about how you will prepare the company's balance sheet as per schedule 3 part 1 schedule 3 of Companies Act 2013. See the format, as I told you that it will be in vertical format. First column is particulars, note number, third column is figures of current year, fourth column is figures of previous year amount. So first is equities and liabilities. Under equities and liabilities there will be shareholders fund, and under shareholders fund first point is share capital. So here is share capital means the subscribed part of the capital amount will be recorded here as per note number 1. Then another thing is reserves and surplus. All items of reserve and surplus will be recorded here as per note number 2. We will prepare note number 2 to find out the net amount of reserve and surplus, as like note number 1 to find out the share capital, subscribed share capital. Next is second column, non-current liabilities. All of you know what is non-current liabilities. The liabilities whose life is more than 1 year. That means the liabilities which is to be paid off after 1 year, not within 1 year. That is non-current liabilities. Non-current liabilities under long-term borrowings, long-term provisions. Then third column is current liabilities, short-term borrowings, short-term provisions, trade payables, other current liabilities. So then after you will do total of the current year and total of the previous year amount. So this is the format of liabilities, recording the liabilities in the company's balance sheet. Another is second is assets, because liabilities equals to assets. Assets, under assets, non-current asset and current asset. Later on in the next video we will discuss about the non-current asset and current assets. And this is just the gist of brief of the company's balance sheet. Now in this share chapter we have to find out the share capital and reserves or surplus. So how we will see it. Now about to know the authorized capital, issued capital and subscribed capital. How you will identify authorized capital, issued capital and subscribed capital. Students, I told you what authorized capital means. It is the maximum capital which is authorized to a company, to a director, to issue the shares during its lifetime. And issued capital means how much number of shares the director now wants to issue to the public for subscription. And subscribed capital means the number of shares which the public subscribed for. So now comes to with an example. A company has authorized shares of 10,000 at the rate of 10 each, but it issued to the public 5,000 shares, but the public subscribed for 4,000 shares. One shareholder to whom 500 shares issued paid only rupees 8. Here the company called all the values. So how you will identify what is authorized capital? So here authorized capital is 10,000 shares at the rate of 10, 1 lakh authorized share capital. Issued is 5,000 share, it issued to the public, 5,000 into 10, 50,000. And here is subscribed capital. Subscribed capital is for 4,000 shares, because the public applied for 4,000 shares. Now subscribed capital is divided into two parts. One is subscribed but fully paid off. Second is subscribed but not fully paid off. So how you will identify subscribed but fully paid off? When either the company called the full amount and the public paid the full amount, that is called subscribed but fully paid off. But when either company not called the full amount or the shareholders not paid the full amount, that is called the subscribed but not fully paid off. So here the subscribed capital will be divided into two parts. Subscribed capital will be divided into two parts. Subscribed but fully paid off. Subscribed but fully paid off. Second is subscribed but not fully paid off. Fully paid off. So this is the way how to identify the authorized capital, subscribed capital, and subscribed fully paid off, subscribed and not fully paid off. Again I am saying that, see, what is the authorized capital? Authorized capital is the 10,000 into 10, 1 lakh. What is the issued capital? 5,000 into 10, 50,000. But what is the amount of subscribed capital? Here subscribed capital is two parts, subscribed but fully paid off. Subscribed and fully paid off कैसे निकालोगे? कितना public, how the public, much the public interested to subscribe? 4,000. Out of the 4,000, 500 share are not fully paid off by the public. So 4,000 out of 4,000, 500 share will be recorded as subscribed but not fully paid off, and 3,500 will be called as the subscribed but fully paid off. So if you say what is the amount of subscribed but fully paid off, 3,500 into 10, 35,000. If you say what is the amount of subscribed but not fully paid off, subscribed but not fully paid off, that is how much shares is not fully paid off by the public? 500 shares, because arrear was there. 500 shares into 10, that is 5,000 less arrear. Less arrear. Arrear is how much? 2 rupees per share. 2 rupees per share. Arrear is 1,000. So subscribed but not fully paid off amount is 4,000. Subscribed but fully paid off amount is 35,000, and subscribed but not fully paid off is 4,000. So total subscribed capital is 39,000. So in next video I will show it in the note number 1. Note number 1.